This video guide will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site yourhypejournal.com. Yourhypejournal.com is a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them actually click on this special allow button, supposedly to help people continue their browsing. But it's a mistake to actually do that. If you click on allow button, you may be redirected to some other junk sites, and also you may soon start receiving a lot of pop-ups that would be displayed in the form of web push notifications. Anyway, if you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, fix your browser by accessing the menu, then settings, then choose privacy and security, site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any junk sites here, get rid of them from the list. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.